Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're a programmer, you've probably faced the frustration of debugging your code for hours, only to find out it's a silly mistake. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most common coding errors that even seasoned developers make, and how you can avoid it. So, what's this big mistake? Drum roll, please. It's none other than the dreaded off-by-one error. Yeah, you heard it right. It's that tiny mistake that can cause major headaches. Let's break it down. You're writing a loop, you think everything's fine, but when you run your code, you notice that something's just not right. Maybe your loop runs one time too many, or it stops one iteration too soon. This little oversight can lead to bugs that are surprisingly hard to catch. Imagine you're working on an array and you want to iterate from the first element to the last. You write a loop like this for int I = 0, I = rr.length, I++. Looks fine, right? But hold on, you just made an off-by-one error. In most programming languages, arrays are zero-indexed. That means the indices start at 0 and go up to length 1. So by writing I = r.length, you're actually trying to access an index that doesn't exist. Boom! You've got yourself an error. Now, how do you avoid this? Always remember to check your loop conditions carefully. If you're iterating over an array, make sure your condition is ir.length instead of I = r.length. This tiny adjustment can save you from a lot of headaches. Another tip: when you're dealing with loops, take a moment to walk through your code with simple examples. Write down the values of your variables for each iteration. This will help you visualize what's happening and catch any off-by-one errors before they cause problems. Finally, don't be afraid to use debugging tools. Set breakpoints in your code, run it step by step, and see where things go wrong. Debugging is an essential skill, and the more you practice, the better you'll get at catching these sneaky errors. Alright folks, that's it for today. Off-by-one errors can be tricky, but with a little caution and practice, you can avoid them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tips. Thanks for watching and happy coding.